Hi students, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today our topic is wear tooth load. Actually, what is a wear tooth load? What are the uses of wear tooth load? What are the considerations are there? Okay, let's see. The maximum wear tooth load, the maximum load that gear teeth can carry without permature wear depends upon the radius of curvature of the tooth profile of any tooth profile and on the elasticity and surface fatigue limits. We take these limits also of the material, any material. If any material, we consider elasticity and surface fatigue. The maximum are the limiting load. In this one, the limiting load for satisfactory wear. If satisfactory wear of gear teeth, we obtain using the Buckingham equation. In these conditions, the maximum load that gear teeth can carry without permature wear depends upon the radius of curvature of the tooth profile on the elasticity and surface fatigue of the limit of the material. The maximum and limiting the load for the satisfactory wear, we take that we are using Buckingham equation. Actually, Buckingham equation is double omega is equal to dp into small b q k. This is a Buckingham equation. In this equation, omega double is equal to what? Next, let's see. Maximum and limiting load. This is a maximum or limiting load for wear units newtons. Next, dp pitch circle. Dp means pitch circle diameter. Next, b face width. Already we know that face width. Q is equal to Q is equal to ratio factor. Okay, in this ratio factors also like formula is ratio factor formula is 2 into VR by VR plus 1. 2 into VR by VR plus 1. This is one condition is this is for external gears. For external gears. Another formula Q is equal to 2 into VR by VR minus 1. This is for the internal. This is for internal gear. Let's see again. Wear load in this one, wear tooth load is equal to dp into b into q into k. Okay, what is the maximum limiting load for wear? Next, dp is equal to pitch circle diameter, b is equal to face width, q is equal to ratio factor. There are two formulas. One is for external, for internal gears. External for external gears 2 into VR by VR plus 1. Internal 2 into VR by VR minus 1. This is the difference between plus minus only. This is the difference. This wear tooth load, already we know that equation. In this one, ratio factor is equal to, for external gears 2 into VR by VR plus 1. Internal gear 2 into VR by VR minus 1. But in this one, VR is equal to what? Velocity ratio. How to find out velocity ratio? Velocity ratio. In this velocity ratio is equal to TG, number of teeth, gear teeth by number of pinion teeth. This is a VR is equal to TG by TG. TG number of gear teeth by number of pinion gear teeth. Pinion gear teeth. Okay. In this next, what is K? K is also is in the formula na. K is equal to load stress factor. Load stress factor. K means load stress factor. Okay, load stress factor in Newton per mm square. In Newton per mm square, and formula is one formula is sigma ES square. Sigma ES square into sin pi by 1.4. This is another standard formula into 1 by EP plus 1 by EG. Already we know that EP, pinion Young's modulus, gear Young's modulus. This is a K formula, load stress factor. Okay, in this load stress factor sigma ES. What is sigma ES? Let's see sigma ES here. Sigma ES. Sigma ES is equal to sigma surface endurance limit. Surface endurance limit. Surface endurance limit in megapascal. Next, pi. Pi is equal to pressure angle. Pressure angle. Pi is equal to pressure angle. Pi is equal to pressure angle. EP is equal to pinion Young's modulus. Young's modulus. Young's modulus of pinion. Next, EG is equal to Young's modulus of gear. Okay, this is a notations. What is the ES? What is the sigma ES? Endurance limit, surface endurance limit. Pi is equal to pressure angle. EP is equal to Young's modulus of pinion. BG is equal to Young's modulus of gear. This is this total wear tooth load equation. Okay, if you want to find out the wear tooth load, then we want these all those things given data. If there is no given data, let's find out the EP or E pi and E sigma ES or velocity ratio. How to find out velocity ratio is equal to number of gear teeth by number of pinion teeth. Thank you.